What's up, fellas? All right, so this video is to show you how to fix a garbage disposal that has loose blades. Okay, if you have this kind like I do, in the middle it has a little spindle and then it has a little nut. This nut comes loose by turning it to the right. So this one is backwards. Okay, so this video is also for me to remember how to loosen it up. It's to the right, it's clockwise. To tighten it up is to the left or counterclockwise. Okay, so if they're loose, you take the nut out, and then to put it back in, you clean that spindle, and then you clean the little nut, and then I'm going to put a little bit of crazy glue, and then I'm going to put stainless steel washer that I bent on purpose so it kept pushing up and works as a lock washer. Okay, so I'm going to put it there. So I'm going to show you. Let's see if I can turn on. There you go. So I'm going to put this in there, and then I'm going to release. And there it is. Okay, so it stay there. Okay, so it stay there. So now we're going to use this little tool again, and then we're going to put it back, and then I'm going to spin it to the left to make sure it goes in there. Okay, now it starts to slip. So I think it's in there. Okay. This is a great little tool that you're going to need to do it so easy like I did, because you cannot put your hand in there, and also it's very dirty in there and stinky. So now you're going to need a ratchet with a socket. Okay, the socket is the number 14 millimeters. So it goes in there, and then you go as much as you can, and then you're gonna need a skinny screwdriver to hold it so it doesn't spin. Okay, I think this is a bigger hole right here. No, it's the same. You need this kind, especially to fit that little hole so it can hold it. So you can just hold it with one hand, and with the other one you can just tighten it up. Okay, so this is how it looks from the from above. So see, we're just spinning it to the left, and it's already tight. It's been already tightened, so it should work because it was loose. So let's try it. I'm going to plug it in. And there you go. It works now. Okay, so there you go, fellas. This is how you fix a garbage disposal with loose blades inside and with an adjustable not from above. All right, guys. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe.